Hi guys, if you have been looking for the perfect homemade spring roll recipe, you're in the right place. Today I will show you how to make a delicious spring roll filling, soft spring roll wraps, and how to wrap them perfectly. Let's get started. So in a heated pan, add your oil, add your chopped onions, followed by your ginger and garlic paste. Add your green beans and continue cooking. Once you have added the green beans, stir everything together and let them cook. Add your cabbage. I added the cabbage in batch, stirring after each addition until everything is well combined. Add your grated carrot and stir well. Next, add your seasoning. Here I'm using curry, kitchen glory, and 1 cube of Maggi. Add your sweet corn, your chopped green pepper, and give everything another good stir until all ingredients are evenly mixed. At this point, your filling should look like this: 1 kg of all-purpose flour, add 1/8 cup of sugar, half cup of corn flour, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until well combined. For this recipe, I will be using 5 cups of water. Don't add all the water at once. Instead, add it gradually, 1 cup at a time while mixing. This helps prevent lumps from forming and allows the flour to absorb the water evenly. Keep mixing as you add more water until everything comes together into a smooth, lump-free mixture with the right consistency. As you can see, this dough is very easy to make. Just take your time, follow each step, and don't rush the process. Once everything is well combined, you will have a smooth dough that is perfect for making spring roll wraps. I'm using a non-stick pan because it makes the wraps easier to remove. The batter is light and runny, so use a pastry brush to apply a thin, even layer. This helps you get soft, smooth wraps that won't crack. As you can see, the wrap is nice and flexible. It opens easily and folds without tearing or cracking. Now it's time to wrap the spring roll. Place a spoonful of filling on the wrap. Fold in the sides, then roll it tightly. Seal the edges with a flour paste to keep it from opening while frying. Repeat the process until all the spring rolls are neatly wrapped and ready to fry. And just like that, our spring rolls are ready to fry. Heat your oil over medium heat. Carefully fry the spring roll in batches. Turn them occasionally so they can cook evenly and become beautifully golden, crispy, and ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching.